So today we're working on a 2000 New Holland 8360 tractor. We have some hydraulic leaking out of these valves here, of the quick coupling fittings. But if you're gonna go buy each of these separate to fix the valve body, it's gonna be more expensive just to buy the complete one and then come upgraded or the new style. These things are a lot easier to remove and cheaper. You gotta just pull them out, replace them. But this was a pain on the rear end. You have to disassemble the whole bracket that holds it together, all these lines. But it's not impossible. All right, see you on the next one.